Kimi 2 model from Moonshot AI has been the talk of the town since it has beat almost all the existing models out there in programming as well as math. So as you can see in this particular chart, whether it comes to agentic and competitive programming, Kimi 2 literally comes second. It has even beat DeepSeek's V3 model and GPT 4.1 over here, just trailing behind Cloud 4 Opus. When it comes to math and STEM related questions, it really comes for beating Gemini 2.5 Flash non-thinking model. So now to use this model, just Google Kimi. You'll be getting the first link, kimi.com. Select it, and to the right you'll be having this translate option. I guess if it's in Chinese for you can just change it to English, and make sure that you are signing in with your email or Google account. Once you do that, then only you will be able to select the model over here. So here you will be having two models. One is K 1.5 and here we are having Kimi K2. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.